Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 8.3 question number 3. Favina borrows rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest, and Radha borrows the same amount for the same period at 10% per annum compounded annually. Who pays more interest and by how much? Let us find. First we'll find that interest paid by Favina interest paid by Favina interest paid by Favina if it's simple interest, therefore the formula is PRT by 100, that is PRT by 100, PRT by 100. Here principal is rupees 12,500. Principal is rupees 12,500. Principal is rupees 12,500. Rate of interest is 12%, that is 12 by 100, and time is 3 years, 3 by 100. 12,500 into 12% means 12 by 100, and for 3 years means 3. Therefore, if we cut this one and cut this one and this 0 and this 0, right? And here you see 3 to 0 36, that is 125. 125 will be multiplied by 36. 125 will be multiplied by 36. If you multiply this one, then we are getting 6 for 30. 3, it is 0. 6 to 12 plus 3, 15, carry 1, it is 5. 6 to 6 plus 1, 7. And by 3, 3 for 15, carry 1, it is 5. 3 to 6 plus 1, 7. And 3 1 is 3. We add this one, we are getting 0. 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, it is 0. 7 7 14 plus 1 15, 5, carry 1. 3 plus 1 4, that is 4,500. Therefore, interest paid by Favina is rupees 4,500. Rupees 4,500. Right? But Radha borrows the same amount for the same period at the 10% per annum compounded annually. Therefore, amount paid by Radha, amount paid by Radha, amount paid by Radha, that is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100, P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Here the principal is same, that is 12,500. That is 12,500. And it is 1. R by 100, R is 10% per annum, that is 10 by 100. That is 10 by 100. 10 by 100. And n is for same period, n is for 3 years, that is n is equal to 3. Right? Therefore, we are getting 12,500. 12,500 into, we add this one, LCM is 100, 100 plus 10, that is 110 by 110 by 100 to the power 3, that is 110 by 100 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100, right? If we multiply all these 3 and after calculating, we are getting rupees. After calculation, we are getting rupees 16,637. 637.50, right? They are getting with this amount, right? Therefore, compound interest is equal to amount minus principal is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is rupees 16,000, rupees 637.50. This amount is 12,500, 12,500. And after subtracting, we are getting compound interest as rupees 4,100, 37.50. Right, here see compound interest Radha paid is 4,137.50 and interest paid by Fabina is 4,500. Therefore, Radha paid more interest, right? Therefore, Fabina is 4,500. This is greater, right? Therefore, Fabina pays rupees 4,500 minus rupees minus 137.50, that is equal to rupees 362.50. Fabina pays rupees 362.50 more than Radha. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.